Welcome to the heart of innovation, where everyday essentials begin their incredible transformation. Witness precision.
Every roll of tape begins with these humble paper cores, meticulously crafted for strength and durability.
Before production begins, each core undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality materials proceed. Materials are meticulously moved, a seamless dance of machinery and human expertise, preparing for the next stage.
Advanced automation ensures every component is precisely stored and retrieved, optimizing efficiency and space utilization.
Each material is meticulously tracked, from its arrival to its integration, ensuring seamless inventory management.
The journey begins as paper cores embark on their path, anticipating the transformative coating process ahead.
Formulating the perfect adhesive requires meticulous control, a delicate balance of science and advanced technology.
Within these colossal tanks, the adhesive is meticulously prepared, a secret formula for unparalleled stickiness.
Each batch of adhesive undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring its perfect consistency and optimal bonding properties.
The journey continues as rolls of release paper are precisely loaded, forming the crucial foundation for our tape.
With vigilant oversight, the coating machine commences, a symphony of precision and controlled automation.
Witness the precise application of adhesive, forming the foundation of every tape's reliable, lasting grip.
Through controlled heat, the adhesive cures, transforming into its stable, perfectly tacky state, ready for its purpose.
Post-drying, every millimeter of adhesive is meticulously scanned, ensuring flawless texture and consistent quality.
Two distinct layers unite, forming the robust foundation of our packaging tape through precise lamination.
Now a unified entity, the laminated material moves with grace, its strength and adhesion ready for the next phase. With expert precision, the slitting machine is calibrated, preparing to transform vast sheets into individual tape rolls. The colossal master roll takes its place, ready for the precise slitting that will define each individual tape. Watch as razor-sharp blades meticulously transform the sheet, creating perfectly uniform tape strips with precision.
From wide sheets to perfect rolls, the rewinding process is a dance of speed and flawless execution. Dozens of perfectly wound rolls emerge, a testament to the efficiency and scale of modern production. Every roll undergoes automated laser inspection, ensuring perfect dimensions and adherence to stringent standards.
Beyond automation, expert human eyes meticulously verify every detail, ensuring unparalleled adhesive quality.
Cool and stable, the finished tape rolls await their final presentation, meticulously prepared for packaging. Robotic precision ensures each tape roll is flawlessly placed into its premium, branded packaging, ready for shipment.
A final holographic seal confirms authenticity, a mark of uncompromising quality and premium craftsmanship. Perfectly sealed and branded, the finished products move towards palletizing, ready for their global journey. Automated precision creates perfectly stable pallets, ensuring safe and efficient transport across the globe.
Our finished products, meticulously prepared, fill vast warehouses, poised for their journey to every corner.
Each pallet receives its unique shipping label, a digital passport for its global journey ahead.
From our factory to the world, our products embark on their journey, connecting businesses globally.
With careful precision, pallets are loaded, ensuring secure transport for our premium packaging solutions.
Truck doors close, sealing in quality, embarking on a journey to destinations worldwide, ensuring safe delivery. As dawn breaks, our products embark, carrying quality and reliability to businesses across the globe.
From this central hub, innovation flows, reaching industries worldwide, powering connections and commerce.
Within these halls, every process is meticulously monitored, ensuring peak performance and consistent quality production.
Real-time data guides every step,
ensuring optimal conditions for adhesive drying and impeccable quality.
A rhythmic ballet of rollers guides the continuous sheet, a testament to synchronized, flawless production flow.
Automated vision systems meticulously scan every millimeter, detecting even the slightest imperfections with precision. Even microscopic imperfections are instantly detected, ensuring only flawless tape proceeds to the next stage.
Defective sections are instantly identified and removed, ensuring only perfect tape continues its journey.
Heated rollers meticulously seal the tape edges, enhancing durability and preventing any form of fraying.
The essence of our brand, subtly integrated through precision film application, begins its journey onto the tape.
Our brand identity seamlessly merges with the tape, a mark of quality, trust, and unparalleled performance.
Through final curing, the branded tape achieves its ultimate strength and clarity, ready for its purpose.
A final sample is meticulously collected, undergoing comprehensive tests to guarantee unmatched quality and performance.
Under high magnification, every fiber and detail is scrutinized, ensuring unparalleled perfection in our tape.
Our tape undergoes extreme tensile strength tests, proving its unwavering durability and exceptional performance under pressure.
Effortless application, superior adhesion. Our tape guarantees secure packaging every single time with ease. Even under extreme impact, our tape holds strong, a testament to its exceptional durability and reliability.
Autonomous vehicles navigate our vast warehouses, ensuring swift and precise movement of every completed order.
Behold the finished product, a testament to precision, quality, and our unwavering commitment to excellence.
Elegantly displayed, each roll reflects our dedication to superior design and consistent premium quality.
From factory to discerning clientele, our tape finds its place in luxury retail, a symbol of trusted quality. Every detail, from the embossed logo to the matte finish, speaks of our unwavering commitment to excellence.
Experience the unmatched quality firsthand. Our tape is designed for those who demand excellence.
A satisfied customer, a testament to quality. Our tape is chosen for its superior performance.
From our doors to yours, our tape arrives, a reliable partner for businesses everywhere, ensuring seamless operations.
Unveiling quality, our tape integrates seamlessly into professional settings, enhancing efficiency and reliability.
Effortless dispensing, flawless application. Our tape simplifies tasks, enhancing productivity in every professional setting. Secure every shipment with confidence. Our tape provides an unyielding bond, protecting your valuable contents.
Beyond mere adhesive, our tape represents a commitment to efficiency, reliability, and business excellence.
Our global network ensures seamless delivery, connecting your business to quality wherever you are.
In the heart of innovation, our tape supports every idea, every connection, fostering creativity and progress.
Experience the satisfying peel, the perfect adhesion. Our tape is designed for effortless, reliable performance. From important documents to creative projects, our tape provides a secure and reliable bond every time.
In every corner of the modern workspace, our tape empowers collaboration, securing ideas and fostering progress.
In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, our tape ensures every package is sealed securely, reaching customers intact.
Speed and reliability define every seal. Our tape keeps pace with the demands of modern commerce. Every package is meticulously labeled, its journey secured by our tape, ensuring precise and timely delivery.
A symphony of logistics. Packages move swiftly, each sealed with our tape, destined for their unique journey.
Intelligent sorting systems guide each package, a testament to efficiency, ensuring precise and rapid delivery worldwide.
From our hub to your doorstep, Our tape ensures every package is secure for its final, crucial journey.
The wheels of commerce turn, carrying our tape and your trust to destinations near and far. Through bustling cityscapes and quiet streets, our tape travels, connecting businesses and communities. The journey complete, our tape delivers, connecting people and products, one secure package at a time. From raw materials to finished goods, our factory stands as a testament to precision and relentless innovation.
Even in the delicate world of artisan craft, our tape provides a secure, elegant finish, protecting every creation.
Beyond utility, our tape inspires creativity, becoming an integral element in artistic expression and innovation. From serious business to joyful play, our tape is a trusted companion, securing imagination and creativity.
Connecting continents, securing global trade. Our tape is the silent guardian of international shipments. For the most demanding shipments, our heavy-duty tape provides an unyielding seal, ensuring ultimate protection. Into the skies, our tape secures cargo, ensuring safe passage across oceans and continents, connecting the world. Soaring above, our tape carries your trust, ensuring every package reaches its global destination securely. Experience the flawless glide, the perfect adhesion. Our tape embodies precision and effortless functionality.
The secret to its strength, a perfectly formulated adhesive, delivering an unwavering, reliable bond.
Every package, flawlessly sealed, a testament to our tape's superior hold and enduring reliability.
From delicate parcels to robust shipments, our tape provides the versatile, unwavering security you demand.
Beyond strength, our tape offers a clear, elegant finish, reflecting our commitment to impeccable quality. From our factory to your world, our tape connects, protects, and empowers every journey with unwavering quality.
Our legacy of quality, innovation, and trust, connecting your world, one secure, perfect seal at a time.
Connecting your world, securing your future. Discover the difference true quality makes every single day.